Hi guys, today I'm going to share my toys collection. I have a lot of vehicles and die-cast cars of different colors. On my channel you can see the detailed videos of most of them, and I usually collect them as a hobby. Then I have a lot of collection of books from the Cocomelon series and some musical toys and the fruit toys, as you know, and the trucks as you go along. Then I also have some other collectibles like Jenga toys and other action figures, and I've made detailed videos regarding all of the toys on my channel. You can go and check my channel, and I have some collections from different countries too. And the action figures, they are really great, and you will absolutely adore them if you just watch them. So just stay tuned and